I should go now. I must leave before my red eyes match the sunrise. No more coffee, we'll put off today. I stood too long in the shadow of a doubt. I need some sun. It seems the time returns to me once more, but I have less now than before. And when I feel my world falling down, I think of you, I think of you. And when I feel I can't breathe no more, you speak to me, you speak to me. When the brightest star smiled as it squared shoulders with the night, you lit the glowing embers of my own life. Do you know, your words could drag the moon down from the sky, seduce my frozen heart with your war cry. You really made me listen for my voice, and I have millions. And when I feel my world falling down, I think of you, I think of you. And when I feel I can't breathe no more, you speak to me, you speak to me, you speak to me. When you fell, I saw your visionary thoughts befriend your blood. Crimson love is drowning in the same flood. I miss the beauty of your young black skin. I thought that free